Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart Poco F7 Ultra. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are two options how you can restart this phone, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method is by using the power menu. So to do it, simply tap the volume up button and the volume down and the power button. And that's how you open up the power menu, and now all you need to do is to drag that white circle and drag it into reboot and then release your finger. Then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again, and then from that point you will be ready to use it. So that method is recommended when the phone is responsive and you can do some action, but there is also something called the force restart, and it's recommended when the phone is unresponsive and it's frozen and you can do anything. So to perform the force restart, all you need to do is to hold the power button and the volume up button until the screen goes black. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's keep on holding until the screen goes black. Okay, now we can release our fingers, and within a few seconds the phone again will be ready to use and automatically turn on again. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.